Let's talk once again about how to make $1 million as a content creator. This is what I help my clients do. This is part 2. I'll tell you exactly what to do with lots of examples today. I'm excited to see you skyrocket to the top. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. If you missed part 1 on how to make $1 million as a creator, that's definitely something that you're gonna watch because I lay the framework. I'll link to that video somewhere on the screen. Why am I talking about making $1 million as a creator? Well, I play an important role in the development of the strategy that helps my clients achieve or even surpass this milestone goal. Last time we talked strategy, this time we're talking tactics, so let's get right into it. Step 1, figure out what problem you want to solve. This is going to require 2 things: competitive analysis and some intense listening skills. I've noticed that brands who fail overestimate their value or they undervalue their audience. So here's what I want you to do, not make those mistakes. I need you to figure out what problem that you want to solve. And let me give an actual client example of mine. Leela, a modern spiritual school, all online. They wanted to provide an educational, spiritual experience that went way deeper than modern meditation apps. And they did, and they launched with great success and continue to grow each time they launch a cohort. They have done all of these things that I've described to you very, very well. I will link to their website in the description. Such a cool brand. Let's keep going. Step number 2, find your ideal audience and grill them. I'll explain. You have to abandon all assumptions. Approach with a mind of curiosity. Pretend like you don't know anything, right? Pretend like you literally know nothing. Listen to your audience's problems, their hopes, their dreams, the brands they love, what a day in their life looks like. I would recommend surveying at least 10 people, ideally 20, maybe more, to figure out how you can deliver the exact solution to their problem. By the end of this step, you should have complete clarity about the problem that you want to solve while also understanding how your audience will best respond to your offering. Now literally feels like the perfect time to tell you about a handy free resource if you're lacking clarity in this department. 6 simple questions that will help you make powerful conclusions on exactly who you should target. The link is below. It's totally free. My way of saying thanks for hanging out with me today. Let's keep going. Step 3, determine your value offering or product at each of the 4 tiers. Now, we talked about this in a lot of detail in part 1. You need to be on a mission to sell over $20,000 per month, $20,750 to be exact, each month at each tier, okay? Because we're trying to make $1 million. Make each tier irresistible. Here are some initial ideas for each tier. At the small tier, which is less than $100, you could sell an online community or a membership, an email subscription, an ebook, an SMS subscription, or a daily text program, a Patreon, a paid workshop, or a webinar. Those are just a few ideas. At the medium tier, which is between $100 and $1,000, you could sell a consultation, a group coaching program, sponsored content partnerships, a product, physical or digital, a turnkey service like video editing. Those are just a few more ideas. At the large tier, which is between $1,000 and $5,000, you could sell an in-person workshop, strategy calls, a creative services retainer, a long-term sponsored partnership, or even a photo shoot. Those are a few more ideas. Finally, at the VIP tier, which is over $5,000, you could sell a VIP retainer client, a speaking engagement, a website. So there you go, lots of ideas for each of those levels, and I hope that those help. Step 4, build a community. Community gives you a direct line to the people who will buy from you. There's almost nothing more important in business. This is a way to listen to your ideal audience and give them exactly what they want. People are naturally social, and if they feel included, they will pay for it. Story time, but now using a different client. Julie Bauer-Roth of PaleoMG came to us with over 350,000 followers. At that time, she had posted very successful one-off workout videos, but she had never sold a program. Well, now, with our help, she's created and launched over 10 branded fitness programs. She has also sold over $1 million from this new business vertical in only 18 months. absolutely incredible, a huge inspiration. I have 2 more steps for you. Step number 5, create a branded experience. Your cheapest product needs to feel valuable. Your most expensive offering needs to make a customer or a buyer feel taken care of. Simply put, for a brand experience, put your customers first. It's the most important thing. That's how you do it. Every detail counts. Message using super clear language, so clear that even a 9-year-old could understand. Also, choose consistent colors. You really want to work on creating a true brand experience. To bring up Julie again, when working on our programs, we wanted to create a premium $400 program, which contrasts with her original $75 program. To up this program, we added a few things: a weekly meal guide, a monthly call with Julie, and a private membership community. This is all part of creating value and creating a branded experience that people are willing to pay for. I have one more step. Step 6, monitor and track your performance. Refining your sales process comes down to experimenting and psychology. If you can have data, you can actually see where you lose your customer. In my business, we use Pipedrive to track every single lead and pitch. They're not sponsoring this video, although they should. I'm just a fan of the app and the tool. Thanks to this tool, we can practically recite our conversion rates, lead times, average value sold per project, and more. This also allows us to forecast where less money might be coming in and know far in advance when we need to start churning up sales. I hope some of these tactics have been helpful to grow your business as a creator and hit that 1 million mark. Again, make sure you watch part 1 where I break down this diagram and grab that freebie, which is linked in the bio. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.